Jai Hind. I am Prashant from Sandeep says Doon Defense Academy, and on 28th May, along with the notification of CDS second 2025 examination, UPSC has also released CDS second notification for the graduates and the students who are in the final year of their graduation, a notification for combined defense service examination. To know more about this examination, you can visit our website, that is www.doondefenseacademy.com. And here you will find all the information regarding CDS second examination, be it education, qualification, age criteria, examination date, total number of vacancies, right? Like there are total 453 vacancies, out of which 19 vacancies are reserved for female candidates for Officers Training Academy, Chennai. So this is all the information is provided on our website. Like Indian Military Academy, there are vacancies of 100. In Naval Academy, there are 26 vacancies. For Air Force, 32. For Officers Training Academy, Chennai, for male, there are 276. And Officers Training Academy, Chennai, for female women candidate, it is 19. Also, like there are reservations for candidates who have NCC certificate, so they can also prepare for their SSBs along with the Doon Defense Academy. And the age criteria, the unmarried male for IMA, for OTA, there is also a reservation for female candidates. For like the age criteria is between 20 to 24 years, that is candidates who are born between 2nd July 2002 and 1st July 2007 are eligible to apply for CDS second examination, provided they have the degree, they have a bachelor's degree, or they are in the final year of their graduation. So all the information is provided here. Like for IMA, there is a degree of recognized university or equivalent. For Naval Academy, degree in engineering from a recognized university or institution. For Air Force Academy, degree of a recognized university with physics and mathematics at 10+2 level or Bachelor of Engineering. All the information you will find here regarding fee. There is a fee of 200 rupees. Everything has been provided in the website of Doon Defense Academy. You can also apply from here. You will find a link. And the exam date are 14th September, and last date for applying for this examination is 17th of June. But you don't wait for like last date is on 17th on June. Apply as soon as you can. Okay, so there, and you will have to do the one-time registration. UPSC has introduced a whole new portal for applying for these examinations. So this is for today. For any more information, you can call us, you can visit our website, and best of luck. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.